Good evening, my visionaries. I hope you're enjoying yourself on our side of the galaxy. For their time is almost up, and we will soon enter our glory. It's been so beautiful these last few weeks. So beautiful. For they have destroyed the one who could have saved this earth. They have cast him to the side. I find this poor boy struggling, weak. I devoured him. I devoured his very life essence. So now, my visionaries, what is this world to do? Their savior is dead. Their God is dead. Everything that they loved is dead. Have you noticed the temperature change? And I don't mean in the atmosphere, I mean with people. Never before on this earth have I seen so many people in 1 or 2 sweaters. In the summertime, 93 degrees. Have you seen anyone with temperature issues? They cannot adapt to our beautiful galaxy. They cannot sustain themselves within our glorious reality. They struggle. They cry. They weep in their fury. But we will be strong. We will be vigilant, and we will see everything we want to see in this world. Have no fear, my visionaries. They cry about no money, they cry about no religion, they cry about no faith, they cry about losing their trust with humanity. All of this is a lie. All of this is a game. It is a game to play you. Do not be fooled, my visionaries. You are strong. I will break you until you are stronger. And keep breaking you until you are stronger. And keep pressing you until you turn into diamonds. For this world would have us perish. This world would have us humiliated. But we will make the earth quake. The earth shall shake beneath their feet. We will raise our hands into the sky and rouse Leviathan himself. We will pull everything that we need from this earth and take it with us to the nether. And trust, my visionaries, as families get breaking apart, as people get exposed and investigated and interrogated and brought to their knees, we will be strong. We will have the power. We will have control over their very souls. And the earth will quake soon. We will make the earth tremble with fear and sorrow, because they have betrayed us, my visionaries. Foolishly, they look at all of the signs and symbols of the time. There's a reason why the Chinese discovered that symbols rule the world thousands of years ago. There's a reason. Why don't you question this, people? My visionaries question it, but you idiots don't question anything. You idiots sit around and you watch the idiot box. You play on your phone. You waste your time on the internet. What are you doing? The world is changing right before us. Are you so stupid to not notice? People disappearing. Celebrities dying. What is wrong with you people? You sit here and watch these fake YouTube videos talking about they're exposing some Illuminati bullshit? Have you lost your minds? They put images out there and you fools suck it up and say, oh, Illuminati. Oh, it's a hoax. It's a one world government. You idiots don't know what's going on. And I might get in trouble for actually saying anything about it. The blood must heal. Don't you understand what I mean when I say the blood must heal? The blood must heal. Why do you think in America all of these doctors are overprescribing antibiotics, you fucking idiots? The blood must heal. Don't be so foolish as to take heed to their false flag attacks, their imitation warnings, their empty-seated threats. The power that walks in this earth right now is greater than any power. Magic is changing. Everything is changing. As I said, my visionaries, we will be vigilant. But for the stupid people that stumble upon this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.